We're going to continue into Chapter 8, which is very short. Chapter 8 is titled Energy, Entropy, and Geometry. Because energy is always information, and information persists and is encoded in patterns, we can thus understand that energy exists within patterns. In the world of pattern, structure, and energy, we encounter two different forces, or polarities. One is entropy, or entropic structures, while the other is non-entropy, non-entropic structures, or syntropic structures. The term entropy has more than one definition within physics, and these definitions have changed more than once. Here we use the term entropy in its reference to the process of something that, left alone over time, will gradually decline into disorder. That is, the process of life and death. All organic-based systems and materials experience a level of entropy and will decay over time. Negative entropy, also termed syntropy, refers to the opposite occurrence, something which does not decay or decline, but instead, when left alone over time, will progress or change into a state of higher function and order, and is presumed to be theoretical. Classical physics also teaches that everything except a theoretical perfect crystal experiences entropy, while the theoretical perfect crystal experiences zero entropy, Newton's third law of thermodynamics, because of the perfect precision of the crystal's geometrically arranged atomic and molecular structural form. The perfect structure of this perfect crystal would maintain its structural integrity despite the forces of nature, such as gravity compression, which over time would cause decay in an imperfect structure. Thus, crystalline structures, because of their mathematically precise, highly ordered, geometrically arranged lattice structures, are held to represent the lowest entropic state possible. Here we understand that precise geometric structures can allow crystals to persist without decay, and that precise geometric structures are the best patterns and forms to contain the largest amount of sustainable information that can persist because it is not contained in a more entropic structure, which over time experiences loss of information in its decay process. A solid-state crystal, because of the precise structure of lines and angles, also called vectors and vertices, within its molecular organization and structure, represents our highest potential for information storage and retrieval. This is because the angles, vertices, or points of intersection within its structures are in precise mathematical relationships, the same reason why it represents the lowest entropic state possible. The precise angles of these vertices, or points of intersection, allow for the high structural integrity, which translates into the lowest entropy, or susceptibility for decay, possible. It is for this reason that the quartz hard drives developed by Hitachi are said to last for millions of years and still hold their data which is encoded into these vertices using lasers. Since water is a flexible and responsive liquid crystal, it can exhibit an infinite combination of patterns, vectors, vertices, and geometries within its remarkably small molecular arrangement. Some patterns, such as those found in the waters of municipal systems, polluted environments, waters exposed to harmful and artificial electromagnetic frequencies, or even waters treated by severely depressed patients, as witnessed by Grad during his experiments, are highly entropic. They lack the symmetry and organization of geometric arrangements that provide structural integrity, and without this, they are on a rapid path of decay and decline. The more highly structured the water is, the more organized and complex crystallographic patterns it holds, the more non-entropic its geometric structural integrity, whether structured through light, sound, frequency movement, or natural location. That is, certain glacial waters or healing water sources, such as the Lourdes. When it comes to the water in our body, the more non-entropic and highly structured it is, the more energy it contains, the more information it holds, and the longer it maintains its ability to support our physical and energetic systems, including the integrity of our DNA.